How to turn off active status for specific people on Messenger. First thing first, you need to open up your web browser and simply search for messenger.com and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, the next step you need to do is simply tap on a profile at the bottom left corner. Click on this to bring out your menu. And once your menu option pops up, you need to head over to Preferences. So just click on it. And as you can see here, you'll have an option called active status. Right now it's turned on my profile. You just need to click on this. You have to note that this won't work on mobile phone, so this is only available for the browser version on PC. Once you click on it, here you can turn on active status for some or turn off active status for some. So if you click on this edit option, here you'll be able to turn off active status for specific people and then click on save. And once you have done that, don't forget to hit the save as well. So once you have done that, you've successfully updated your active status, and only this person, my active status will be off for only this person right here. And it's as easy as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'm gonna see you on the next one.